What's going on? Hope you guys like my hair. Trying out something new. Anyways, so I ordered tire letters for my car, but I didn't just order any normal tire letters. You see, they do sell temporary ones which are a little bit thinner and they're also much cheaper. So I figured, okay, can I order the cheap ones and make them last the same way that the expensive ones last? Because the expensive ones, they're pretty expensive. They're like over $100, which is insane for tire letters. So they came in today, as you can see here. Have them right here. Got the instructions and crap on what to do. So I'm going to see if I can make tire letters work for much cheaper. So since you have to get your tires super clean, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash them really good, scrub them down real great with the soap and stuff, go back with acetone, make sure they are 100% clean of any oils or dirt or anything that could be on the surface. 100% clean. Almost forgot to mention, you also gotta snip off those little like stud thingies that are on the tire. I don't know what they're called, but you gotta clip them all off. Alright, now I'm going to start spraying this thing down with some acetone. I've got it in a spray bottle just for convenience. It makes it last a little longer too. So, yeah. Just going to start, I guess, spraying it on it. Using an old sock. Using an old sock. Okay, so this is the part that's going to make these tire letters go from temporary to permanent. What I have here is the tire stickers glue. Almost dropped it. Tire stickers flex cement adhesive by Tire Stickers. The part number is 0000906. 801. This is what it looks like. Hopefully that's focused. Since these have their own backing tape, I guess it's called, or whatever way this gets applied, this clear stuff, I'm going to go over the whole thing with the glue. Then I'm going to put it on, probably leave it for, I don't know, until it's generally pretty dry, and then once it's somewhat cured, then I can go ahead and peel the backing off, and hopefully it'll stay there in place and be just as good as the permanent ones, except this stuff is a little thinner, so hopefully it doesn't wear out. I do rub a little bit, so but that's only on the fronts. So hopefully, if all goes according to plan, then I will have this Federal tire sticker on my tire. Alright, I'm in the garage where there's not as much wind. So basically, I'm just gonna douse this thing in a little bit of glue. I don't want too much, or it's going to bleed out. So I'm basically just gonna put a line down the middle of each letter. Now I'm gonna run over to the car and I'm gonna slap this on. Moment of truth. How do I want this thing? I think right there is good. Okay, that seemed promising. I can already see there's a couple spots where it's starting to leak out. Not too bad, but I am noticing it. Oh, that looks pretty good. Make sure it's all flat. I'm gonna let this thing kind of cure in the sun a little bit, and then hopefully in a couple minutes I'll be able to peel the backing off and the letters will stay there, hopefully. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes. I can already see it was a little weird on the edges, but there's a couple weird spots. I'm gonna need both hands for this. Okay. Alright, it's not going horrible. Okay, so I found that if you like push down on it beforehand, it will stay on there when you peel this back. So it's working a little better. Alright guys, here's the finished product. That's what the back ones look like. Here's the front ones. Now, a couple things I've learned. Don't put too much glue, it'll spill over. But you need to cover the entire thing, so spread it out evenly. Also, don't touch the letters because they will stick to you with the glue, and then the only way to get it off is to rip it. Otherwise, pretty good. Really happy with how it turned out. It looks just like the expensive ones. Man, it looks really good. So, can you buy the cheap tire letters and use the expensive tire glue? Yes, you can. Of course, there's gonna be a couple imperfections. It's not gonna be the exact same as the expensive ones that are the actual rubber ones. But you can make it work nonetheless for much cheaper than buying the expensive ones. I will do a follow-up video on this to see how they last, see if they come off, see if something happens. If they stay on, I'll still make a video. Either way, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to drop a like down below. Comment what you'd like to see next. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. I post a whole bunch of videos with my car. I also do car reviews and other cool stuff like that. So make sure to subscribe. As always, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.